I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access and the exact image identifier you do have, name, path, or repository. Once done, authenticate with the system using SSH, an API token, or web login so you can query metadata. Then run the minimal list command appropriate to the host. For a container registry, use its CLI list. For a VM image, search the storage index. For local files, run a directory listing with detailed timestamps. This first step ensures you can reach the image and see its metadata immediately. Next, you request the image's metadata so the unique identifier becomes visible. Use the platform inspect or show command, for example, container inspect, cloud image describe, or file attribute tools, and request JSON or long output. Make sure to filter for ID, image ID, digest, SHA-256, or UUID fields. These are the values that uniquely identify the image. If the output is long, pipe it through JQ, grep, or the CLI's format flag, so you get just. Finally, you confirm and lock in the image ID by copying it exactly and verifying with a second inspect or a checksum comparison. This prevents mismatches. If the ID doesn't appear, make sure your credentials have permission to view metadata, or switch to a higher privilege account and rerun the query. If you still fail, check API version mismatches, registry namespaces, and path spelling. Once corrected, repeat the inspect command to obtain the definitive ID, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.